Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you what is break and what is continue in JavaScript. So you can see I have printed from 1 to 100. Let's say I want to print from, I want to show from 1 to 5. So I will say here 5 and here you can see 1 to 5. But let's say I don't want to show 4. So what can I say? I'll say here that if I'll set a condition, okay, here I'm going to say that if I value is equal to 4, then I will say continue, not confirm, continue. Okay, so it will actually not show 4. Here you can see 1 2 3 5. Why? Because let me explain you. I value is 1, so it will check I is equal to 1 or not. No, so it will not enter this condition. It will print 1 as like 2 and 3 also. And now I value is 4. So the if condition is true, so it will actually enter here. And what continue means? It means that the loop, okay, it will actually go from here to the loop once again. It will not go to the next line. It will continue the loop. Okay, so the continue statement will actually continue the loop. So now it will not show the value 4, it will continue to the loop. And now for the increment, I value is now 5, right? So yeah, still it fulfill the condition, so it will enter here. Then now it will check I value is 5. No, then it will not enter this clause and it will actually show 5. And that is the reason actually here you can see 1 2 3 but not 4 and then 5. But what about break? If I say break, now let me show you. If I say I is equal to I'll say I is equal to 3, I'll say break, and what will happen? And here when break means when the I value is 3, it will actually break the code here. So continue means it will continue the loop once again. Okay, oops. But break means it will actually break the loop, so it will go outside the loop. Okay, so this is the main difference between continue and break. So I will understand, right? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.